Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a 2020 charm update. That 2020 is going to get over, so I just want to make a quick recap on what and all we did on 2020. We didn't do much because I started my channel on this year and we have a very little charms only. So I have gathered some of my old charms which I made in 2020 and the previous years. So hope you all like this video. And here is the shout out. If you guys want to shout out in the next video, all you have to do is find the secret word in this video and let me know. So this is the first charm we are starting with, and I still think that many of them will remember, but this is a charm which I made on my second video. And this is the first charm I ever made on this channel, and it's a cupcake unicorn. It turned out so cute. I was so happy with how I made. And these two are some old charms which I made before it. Not after I started my YouTube channel, it was before that. And if you see the unicorn cupcake in this old charm and the new one which I made in the video, they both are totally similar, because after trying that I got inspired and did a video on this. So these cupcake charms bring a lot of memories back. And we also have a video on this too. These are the Christmas charms. A Santa, a wealth, a gift, a snowman and a Christmas tree. This is the only set I have as charms, like 5 together. This one is so cute, and this is one of my favorite charms. The 5 ones together makes the cute pair. And these both I made it as a pair too. And yeah, this is actually an old one. I made it like I think a year ago. But I'm happy that this one didn't get so dirty. And this is very old actually. I think it was a year or two year ago. Yeah. And yeah, I just was like, simply I have never tried ice cream, so I was like, let me take a try. And yes, these charms, I've already made a video on that. It's the mask and the hand sanitizer. My favorite one was the sanitizer, but many of them like the mask in the comments. This is the octopus family. So here's a father, a mother and 2 sisters or brothers, or we can call them as siblings. Actually it was a 8-membered family, but the other 4 died because this is like 3 years old. But I have just painted the white one with some white paint because it was like so dirty. So I just made a recreation like that. And this one is a half caked, like a half heart-shaped cake. The other half is with my friend. And this one was one of my friend's birthday gift. And she still has it. I'm so happy about that. And this one was one of my favorite. This is a burger, and this is the old one, the old version which I made on the burger. Actually, still the old one is also my favorite, even though it's dirty, but I totally love these two. And if you wonder where I made the new burger, I have made it in a mystery wheel video. And this is a Pokemon ball. Who doesn't know Pokemon ball? Me and my sister made these together. And as we already saw the yellow gift in the Christmas set. And this white gift is old. I have made it before that. So recently only I have painted it, so you can guess it was not that bad. And this pumpkin, the old one doesn't even look like a pumpkin, but the other one does. So this is how I started making the charms, and this is how it ended out. So keep on trying, guys. You can also catch up. And these are like one of the first charms I have ever made. I think this will come under the top 10 charms. I mean, like my starter charms. And you can see this ghost. It's a pair of the pumpkin. I made a Halloween video with those. And one of my favorite till now is the Tinkerbell. Even though it's old, it still stays in my heart. This one was one of my favorite one. Yes, and I made this earth in a mystery wheel, I think part 2. And this earth turned out so cute, and many of them commented that they liked this earth so much. Thanks for your support. And this is one of the first glitter charm I have ever tried. You can call it also as the last one I have made, because after this I have never tried to make a glitter charm. And this is an old version of the Instagram logo, because after I made this only, like after 10 days I think, they changed the new logo. That was unfortunate actually. And if you think that this corn looks so new, but this one is actually a long time ago, it's so old. And you can realize these three, the part 2, the book and cake and the earth, these all came in the mystery wheel part 2. Go and watch those videos. And this fox is also too old, like top 10 first things I have made, how I started doing charms. I made this giraffe, I think it was recent, I think a month ago. And yeah, it also has a lot of stripes in it. But it's so cute how this giraffe turned out. And this is a small milkshake. I made it with the rainbow popsicle and I think donut. So I made this milkshake also with them. And we all realized this kitty also made it in the mystery wheel part 1 challenge. Actually, I'm not that good at animals. And this one too in the part 1 of mystery wheel. And this cactus, I think many of them in the comments love the cactus. And yeah, these are all my 38 charms that are in good condition. There are still some charms behind the scenes. And this is the old to new order, as you can see, as I said. Now in this video, the old one actually have to be the pancake. Comment down below which is your favorite in all these charms. If you guys like these type of video, comment down below, because maybe I can make a video like not charm update, maybe my DIY updates, but I still have to search all my old DIYs, because nowadays I'm too obsessed with making charms. But comment down below which one was your favorite. Don't forget to do that. If you found a secret word in the middle of the video, comment that one too. And subscribe if you like my videos. And see you all with a marvelous video in the next week. Wait, before closing this video, can you please watch one of these videos too? It helps me out a lot. Have fun!